Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video. Justin here. In this video, I wanted to share some randomized educational worksheet that I did on analog clocks. So I started all these randomized educational worksheets during 2020, kind of when COVID was at its height and all of our kids were at home and parents were freaking out and all that. So we found it useful. My wife and I, we do statistics and a lot with probability. So I thought, this is perfect. Randomized worksheets is perfect for using probability. So let me go ahead and share one. So you can go to my website, statisticool.com, and all these are free. They're just Excel files to download under Kids Activities, and they're here. So this one I'm following is the random clocks. Telling time, most of us use digital, but obviously I feel that kids should know how to tell time on an analog clock. It also helps with their number sense too. But when you open up the spreadsheet, it creates these three clocks. The hands, the minute and hour hand are in random positions. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Let me open up this screenshot. So it'll have a date, it'll have some instruction. What is the time on the clock? And like I said, you can feel free to edit anything you want. I just ask if you use it, share it to just attribute statistical.com or Justin Smith or something like that. And then it has a place for the hours and the minutes. And that's pretty much it. I made the hands not only different colors, but also slightly different sizes. So in case, anybody has issues with, being able to tell the colors apart for whatever reason, you can just look at the sizes of the hands. But that's all it is. So let me show you what the spreadsheet looks like. So here it is. So what I do, let me make this slightly, well, I'll leave it that size. So what this does is, so this will be for the first clock, this will be for the second clock, this will be for the third clock. And by the way, when you print this out, the idea with all these randomized spreadsheets is like you open it up, maybe you refresh the random numbers, maybe change a couple parameters, and do file print and it prints out. So this is actually set to be the print area. Not all this kind of the stuff that's behind the scenes is over here. So if you do a file print, notice that it just prints out the part that's in this kind of bold rectangle. Okay, so what it does is it will simply calculate some random angles. So this is this theta column. So it'll just do a random number times 360, right? 360 is all the way around the clock, so this will do a random angle, okay? And then these numbers here just control the size, the length of the hands, so not much really going on there. And then what these do is these convert using sines and cosines. They convert the basically to the coordinate system to where I can graph it in Excel, right? So that's what that is doing. It's basically converting a circular, kind of polar coordinates to a rectangular. So in other words, just making that into points. Okay, so that's what that's doing. And let me refresh the random numbers by pressing F9, and you can see, each one it'll create some random times. Now, is this perfect? No, it's not really perfect because I'm trying to fit a circular thing into this rectangle. But for the most part, it does it pretty well. And we're able to tell time on here. At least if your child gets a good approximation, I think it's pretty good. And like I said, feel free to edit this however you want. You can, if you want to take one of these clocks and make it into like a better shape, add anything to this, more instruction, feel free. No problem. Just, yeah, keep the attribution and that's it. So anyways, I just wanted to share this a randomized educational worksheet for, again, making these kind of random analog clocks for your child to master telling time on one of these and also improve their number sense. And that's all I got. So thanks for checking out this video. Please like and share if you have any, parents, children that would find this useful. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.